Ordering coffee at a cafe. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I would like a coffee, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Do you want milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. A little milk.
What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Asking for direction.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the post office.
The post office? Yes, I know it.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very close.
Which way do I go?
Go straight on this street.
And then,
Turn left at the traffic lights.
is it on the left side or the right side?
It is on the right side. You will see a blue sign. At the supermarket.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. Can I help you?
I am looking for eggs. Where are they?
Eggs are in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where is the bread?
Bread is near the entrance, on the left side.
Oh, I passed it. Thank you.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Yes. Do you have fresh orange juice?
Yes, it is in the drinks section.
Where is the drink section?
It is at the back of the store on the right. Meeting a friend by chance. Mark, is that you?
Emma. Hello. What a surprise.
I did not know you come to this park.
Yes, I come here sometimes. It is very peaceful.
I agree. I love this park.
Please sit down. Do you have time?
Yes, I have a little time.
How are you? I have not seen you for a long time.
I am good. Thank you. A little busy with work.
Me too. Work is very busy this month.
But it is nice to take a break outside.
Yes, the weather is beautiful today.
At the doctor's office.
Hello, I have an appointment today.
Good morning. What is your name, please?
My name is Mark. Mark Taylor.
Let me check. Yes, I see your name here.
Thank you. What time is the doctor ready?
The doctor will be ready in 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I ask, what is the problem today?
My arm hurts. I hurt it yesterday.
I am sorry to hear that. Does it hurt a lot?
Yes, a little. I am worried about it.
Don't worry. The doctor will help you. Returning an item to a shop.
Excuse me, I would like to return this shirt.
Of course. Is there a problem with it?
Yes, the size is too big for me.
I understand. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it here.
Thank you. When did you buy it?
I bought it 2 days ago.
That is fine. We can help you.
Can I get a smaller size?
Let me check if we have your size. Yes, we have size medium. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much.
Talking to a neighbor. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I am very well. And you?
I am good, thank you. Is that your new dog?
Yes, I got him last week. His name is Biscuit.
He is very cute. What kind of dog is he?
He is a golden retriever.
I love golden retrievers. They are so friendly.
Yes, he is very friendly. He loves people.
Do you take him for a walk every morning?
Yes, every morning and every evening.
That is wonderful. It is good exercise for you too.
Finishing work and going home. Mark, are you leaving now?
Yes, I finished for today. What about you?
Me too. I am very tired.
It was a long day today.
Yes, very long. But we did good work.
I agree. I feel happy about the meeting today.
Me too. The client liked our ideas.
That was great news.
Are you going home by bus or by car?
By bus. My car is at the garage today.
I can give you a ride. I am going that way.
Really? That is very kind. Thank you, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.